So, hindi ko na na-videoin yung pagkarga namin dahil maulan. Pumunta naman kami sa Arbor Lane.
Let's go.
Let's go. Malapit na kami.
Dito kami sa Longga po.
Tagig.
Kami sa Pampanga. Okay, malapit na kami. Nasa Pampanga na.
Right. So, na, papasok na kami sa event.
Arbor Lanes.
Arbor Lanes. Arbor Lanes. Tagig.
Arca South.
Arca South. Oh, patok na mo kami.
Dito tabi mabi. Christmas event.
Christmas event.
Sa ano pa? Paano na
Party
ito?
pa
Social
naman.
Hall.
Set muna kami. Yung next video. Ito yung kalakihan ng aming venue. Set up muna.
The lights are shining everywhere from up above and down.
Kami, tapos may ako na tuloy yung ilaw. Ready?
Down below we fall into the afterglow. So now this is the perfect night tonight.
Right. Tapos na namin kumain.
Apat din.
Okay.
So 6 na siya, no? Tapos kanilaan dito sa may
Yan.
So, 8. Tapos number 1, 4.
Yan, kompleto na. So, babalik kami sa trabaho. Yung dalawang makain pa. Patapos.
Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
Next backdrop.
But this is $10. Also, you could have went out into my lanyard.
As you know, one of our favorite parts of any convention is Artist Alley. It's where we discover new artists. We have so much pop culture art on our walls, and we love through these videos being able to show you guys some artists so you can check out their website.
Let's light up the sky.
Tapos na kami sa may ginawa. Kapit na. Pakabit na lahat. So, tetestingin na lang. Iligpit na natin ibang gamit. Gamit na rin namin dito yung Beam 230. Apat na Beam 230. And then, one per side na speaker and subwoofers. So, ayan. Tapos, white amber. So, ayan, tapos na. Testing na. Ayos na yung ilaw. Sound check na rin siya lang. Ayan, tapos na lahat pati yung wire. Ayan. Ganyan lang ayos para mapatid. Ayan. Sa kabila din ang inana. Ay, wala nang pupunta dyan. Natapos na lahat. Ayan, naayos na rin yung ilaw. Focus na lang. So, tapos na kami. Ibig na namin yung ayusin na lang din yung ilaw nila. Kompleto.
So I can feel more energized, smarter, and stay on top of my health goals. Lumen is the world's first handheld metabolic coach. It works by measuring your metabolism through breath. It shows you if you're burning fats or carbs. And then it gives you personalized recommendations through the app for nutrition, workouts, even stress. Each morning I take a breath in. Lumen tells me exactly where my metabolism is at. It's helped me better understand how my body reacts. Food, exercise, even sleep. It gives me a plan, which is similar to me. But here's the thing, metabolism is like an engine.
Natapos na kami. Okay na lahat. So, standby na lang. So, time check 4:02 PM. Ayan, standby na lang kami sa oras. Okay, simula. Sa ano? Program.